Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make this simple guide for your hand planer to get a perfect 90-degree cut every time. Okay, so I have my 1/4 inch MDF board here. It's nice square, it's an offcut that I had. I didn't have to buy anything, so I'll show you. It's not going to take you maybe 10 minutes, and I'm going to use my jigsaw and some sandpaper and my square to do this project. So I've cut it a bit bigger because there's a round edge here and it didn't fit that perfectly, so now it goes in a bit more. So I'll trace the second part here to cut that out as well. So just by hand, I draw myself this little nice shape that I have here. The planer stops about here, but I want that extra part sticking out at the back of the machine so that my stroke is longer. So now, to fix your guide against your planer, I don't know about the other models, but this model specific, it comes with 2 holes where I can tie this to. So I marked the location of the holes and now I'm gonna drill them. Once it's done, it's fixed. As you can see, I have a piece sticking out at the back. Take a square and see that it's square. Once you see it's square and it's fastened, if you do need to align it a bit, put a washer in or a spacer. I'm not sure about the other models, but let's try it.